Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are the Growthfells, and today we took our son out to nature walk. Now that he's walking now, to test if he can walk out there because he has been walking in the house. So let's see how it goes. So don't forget to press the subscribe button for more videos to see how the baby is growing up, and we thank God for this far. God bless you. Again.
Yay! Yeah. In a row. Yeah. We're enjoying nature walk. Yeah. A lovely son, handsome boy. Yeah. Wow. We love you, we are happy with you, we appreciate you, we are so proud of you, Naro. A lovely son, handsome boy. Wow. Goed hoor. Yeah. Sunshine, fresh air.
Girl, come on. Big Papa.
So. Goed zo. Zo, al je eigen natuurwandeling. Nature walk. Ah, so nice. Oh, mooi. Beautiful.
Mooi hè?
Heel mooi, heel goed Naro. Wauw. Je wil wel zelf lopen hè? Goed hoor.
Ja.
Natuurwandeling met mama en papa hè? Ja, heel mooi.
Mama.
Genieten van de natuur, frisse lucht, mooie zonneschijn. Ja, my sunshine, fresh air. Ja.
Let's lopen.
really enjoyed it. Yeah. Yeah, it was so nice nature walk. Yeah, we really enjoyed. So for the next video, watch and subscribe and leave a comment, like our videos as well. Thank you very much and God blessing.
Bye.